Hello friends, welcome to Tech Social. Today's topic is ing form. So let's get started. I am working as an operator. मैं ऑपरेटर का काम करता हूँ. In this sentence, working is the ing form. Working मतलब काम कर रहा हूँ. Working is mostly used in present tense, but sometimes it is also used in past tense. Working verb form is work. Let's go to the second sentence. I am running on the road. मैं सड़क पर दौड़ रहा हूँ. In this sentence, running is the in form. The verb form of running is run. So let's move to the third sentence. I am collecting some money. मैं कुछ पैसे जमा रहा हूँ. In this sentence, the ing form is collecting. Collecting means jama. The verb form of collecting is collect. Let's move to the fourth sentence. I am going to my uncle's house. मैं मेरे अंकल के घर जा रही हूँ. The ing form is going here. The verb form of going is go. Let's move to the fifth sentence. I am giving a ticket to my father. मैं मेरे पापा को एक टिकट दे रही हूँ. The ing form in this sentence is giving. The verb form of giving is give. Let's move to the sixth one. I am selecting a shirt. मैं एक शर्ट चुन रहा हूँ. The ing form of this sentence is selecting. The verb form of selecting is select. Let's move to the seventh one. I am looking at the picture. The ing form in this sentence is looking. The verb of looking is look. Let's move to the eighth one. I am eating an apple. The ing form in this sentence is eating, and the verb form of eating is eat. Let's move to the ninth one. I am drawing a picture. The ing form in this sentence is drawing. The verb form of drawing is draw. Let's move to the 10th one. I am writing for my friend. The ing form in this sentence is writing, and the verb form of writing is write. Let's move to the 11th one. He is going to temple. वो मंदिर जा रहा है. The ing form in this sentence is going, and the verb form is go. Let's move to the 12th one. He is asking a doubt. The ing form in this sentence is asking, and the verb form of asking is ask. Let's move to the 13th one. He is preparing food. वो खाना बना रहा है. The ing form in this sentence is preparing, and the verb form of preparing is prepare. He is sipping juice. वो जूस पी रहा है. The ing form in this sentence is sipping, and the verb form of sipping is sip. Let's move to the 14th one. He is making a film. वो एक फिल्म बना रहा है. The ing form in this sentence is making. The verb form of making is make. Let's move to the 15th one. He is facing a problem. वो तकलीफ झेल रहा है. The ing form of falling is fall. The ing form in this sentence is facing. And the verb form of facing is face. Let's move to the last one. He is sitting on a chair. वो एक कुर्सी पे बैठा है. The ing form in this sentence is sit. And the verb form of sitting is sit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. The part 2 will be released soon.